Bonsoir tout le monde, una good evening, una good morning. Anytime when I come across this my video, wanna put thumbs up for me now, wanna subscribe. So those of you who never subscribe, wanna subscribe. Those of you who don't subscribe, I love all of you now. So my topic today, jealousness. So sister, when they jealous that your brother when they Europe, brother when they jealous that your sister when they Europe, say she dey form or e dey form. My brother, wan work for your own. You know wetin make that your sister dey form or that your brother come dey form today? Go answer im prayer. Go answer her prayer. You think say easy to make am for Europe? E no easy, brother. E no easy to make am for Europe. Sister, e no easy to make am for Europe. If you no strong, you go fall. Either you fall like this or you fall finish. So e no easy. Now where you go dey find help for you to see help fast, you no go see help. Europe, if you no get documents, e hard well. E hard to see that document. You go suffer. If you still get document, you have to see strong o. So brother wey don fight for document, wey don fight for im own life, sister wey don fight for document, fight for im own life, e come born pikin, come dey okay. You want make the sister no even make yanga? Brother, you want make your brother no make yanga because of wetin? Sister wey carry body go abroad, e go abroad because tomorrow make for enjoy. Brother wey carry himself go abroad, e come abroad make for enjoy tomorrow. So e don suffer well finish. You no wan make enjoy. If brother buy car, you say e dey form because say e get car. Brother talk, una say brother to talk. Sister talk, una say e to talk. My dear, to become a woman or a man for abroad is not a day job. It's not a day job. Europe no easy. For you to get your house, come get your paper, come born pikin, come get wife, come get husband. E no easy. Muna let sister enjoy, muna let brother enjoy. No jealous am. You wey dey Africa, dey talk say, wetin sister fit do? Only one flat wey she build, or 2 flats wey she build, or see the way she dey make yanga. My sister, my brother, e no easy. You think say Europe easy? Say that they pluck money for ground. Let sister make yanga. Na time, na e time to make yanga. Make sister make yanga, make brother make yanga. So don't jealous. Go and work your own, sister, brother. You wey dey Nigeria, you dey talk say, person, your brother wey dey Europe forget you, your sister wey dey Europe forget you. My sister, my brother, my friend, if they dey see money pluck for you, your friend for you, your sister for you, if for pluck come give you. Europe to make am e too hard. E too hard. You have to see strong for your own for Africa. Leave person may come abroad, may still happy. Wanna give them freedom. Give them freedom. They have freedom to still happy now. Sister wear shirt, if wear shirt na problem. Say she dey form. She no wear, they'll say she dey form. Now waiting. Now sister cause the one when you dey for your body. Or na that brother cause the one when you dey for your body. Leave people when dey Europe, make dem enjoy. So sister, you wey no dey work, wey dey abroad, take time go find work, make you work. Brother wey dey abroad, wey no dey work, they can't follow you. The day when you comot for Nigeria, then Nigeria people they can't follow you. Say see the day when you don't take comot for house. If you comot for house, maybe this example May 24 when you take comot for Nigeria, they can't follow you. So you wey come abroad, come sit down, you don't want to do anything. Now you sabi you go say you dey government house, you dey camp, if you dey camp you fit still work. They work shoroti. Go do shoroti. If na France you dey, my brother, go find a cleaning job they do. Because the way they Nigeria, some of them, now may you fall na the deal. They will call result, or they call result for Africa until you know. The day when you come out for us, then they start to they count and follow you. So brother and sister, when you come Europe, not consider and say you know they do anything. Try to do something with your hands. Try may use your hand to do something. May you make them. May you go enjoy your money for your country. Enjoy them. They're important. And some people say they don't go Africa again. Why you say you don't go Africa again? If you no go, me no go. Who go maintain our father's land? I bet mo know they talk that words. Mo will try. Mo will go us. Mo will go help our youth. Mo will go help our land, our father's land, our mother's land. It's very important. Invest for your country. See, invest for here or for Europe for here, but your country, no forget them. I mean, you when your family eat your money, you can't say because they eat your money, you know they go Nigeria again. Now 0 + 100 I give you. My dear, change that mentality right now. Your family eat your money. Nigeria big well. You feel build us for Lagos, build us for Abuja, build us for Port Harcourt, build anywhere. Nigeria big well 36 states. 9 Nigeria. You know if you say you won't use Europe to do us, nothing like Nigeria, nothing like home. Or you both pursue us today. Say we will go our country, but our country no go fit pursue us. May we go Oyibo lands. Our country we have peace of mind. Just we don't get enough things to live well for there. No light, no good roads, but God go do and we go get her. May me and you plan. May we plan well, make our country better. We don't use another man's land as our own. We go maintain our land. So now, so you when your sister disappoint, sorry. You when your brother disappoint, your mother disappoint, your father disappoint, don't give up. Don't give up. Do something back home. You may not put it in your family case, in your family hand. You feel do something back home through another person. Yes, through another person, they must be supervised. Put person to supervise your things. It will be safe for you. Don't worry. Don't give up. Life, they go forward. If that time, when you take give your people money, you get money before that time. Now, it can't be like say things not they okay for you. Now make you tired. My brother, my sister, my friend. God will still provide for you. No forget us. No forget home. So that this message I say me I can't give now. Those people when know they work, it's not good. If they call result, which result you won't get? Home and abroad. When you know they work now, who can't they work? If the person they enjoy what he work for, not jealous or tomorrow. Not say the person they form. So for that reason, go work your whole age. If you not work now, old age you go suffer. They say Nigeria na Zoom country. What is that they call it? Whether na Zoom country. They say Nigeria na Zoom country. My sister, my brother, forget about that. Not where like home. When me go my country, I dey free and they happy. Father's land. You dey happy, you be Nigeria. You understand? People say, sister, you dey. Oh, I dey fine. Make your money in Europe, go and enjoy in your country. Now they make am the titi now, they make am the good. Now they make am the sweets. When you make money for here, you dey here, you know the sweet. It be like say you be 0/100. So let's make money in Europe, invest little, do things more for Europe, but more go do the main one for Africa. Don't fed up. Don't deny your country. Oh. tomorrow na you sabi old days go come, you go cry tomorrow. So na this message I come give you. Me, I love my home sweet home. Una bye bye here, abeg una stay blessed. Love you. Una subscribe to my YouTube channel. Na Rita una mure, na una sister, una friend, una everything. So we go soon start to dey pray. Take get praying time for this our program. We'll feast one day for praying. Prayer, more all of us will come dey pray together. Is very important. They say pray without ceasing. So now, so sometimes family go fit change your eye, make you no remember home again. Sometimes outside people fit change your eye too, make you no remember home. So it's not good. So we'll pray over many things. People when they find wife, find husband, they find pikin, all those things, we need to pray. So na spiritual things, most one na spiritual case. So I love all of una. So till I come your way next time, we dey do our Oko program. Una not forget, na Wednesday 8 o'clock, na Friday 8 o'clock in the evening, na Sunday 8 o'clock in the evening. We dey do am 3 times a week. If you dey find better husband, call me. If you dey find better wife, call me. My number, me I call my number for una. Na +33 75 12 33 again 1. Sorry, ma call my number again. I forget na mistake. Na +33 75 12 33 514. Na be my number. My name na Rita Onamore. Thank you all. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Stay blessed. Ciao. Love you.